Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to link your Steam and PlayStation accounts with your Electronic Arts account step by step, so let's get started. First, click on your browser, then type Electronic Arts in the search bar and press enter. Now click on the first official website, and once it opens, you will see the main interface. Click on the profile icon at the top, then click on Sign In and complete your login. After signing in, click on the profile icon again and go to Account Settings. Inside the account dashboard, find and click on Connected Accounts. Here you will see different platforms available. Now you can link your Steam account and PlayStation account by clicking on the Connect option next to each platform and following the login and authorization steps. Once you complete the process, your accounts will be successfully linked with your Electronic Arts account, allowing you to sync progress, access games, and use cross-platform features easily. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.